Okay, so you want to create gradients for your Unity projects. Super easy. You're just going to Cyberluna Gradient Creator, and then you have this window. And then we can fold some of the folders out and go over everything. So you have your gradient. Yeah, just like all your other Unity gradients. You can move the colors around and recolor and whatnot. Whatever you want. And then you have your preview here for how the save texture is going to look. And then you have the actual settings for what you want to save. For example, we have a texture here that is 16 in width and 256 in height. And so like these ones you can already see down here. But you can also make them whatever dimensions you want, of course. Then you have the direction that the gradient is getting mapped for. And so left to right, top to bottom, whatever you want. Let's do like a classical gradient here. So we have 256 pixels wide, 16 pixels in height. Then you have your settings for what you want to write. And then you have your settings for where you want to save. And then you also have some settings for if you're prototyping a material like this one for the water elemental here, and you're using a gradient in the material, you can use the tool to directly fill it out for you. And so if you need to spam some gradients like here, super easy. And then when you want to save it, you just click on Save Texture, and then we have it right here. Yeah, one gradient. You can also make it square, however you want. I'll change the direction if you need one like this, for example. You can make as many as you want. Have another fun.